Hello friends, and welcome to Superpoint. I'm Sarfaraz, and today marks the beginning of an extraordinary journey into the depths of time and knowledge. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, let's embark on a quest to unravel the incredible tale of 40,000 years. This story is not just a narrative, it's an exploration of the birth of earth and skies, the origins of life, and the profound questions that have intrigued humanity for millennia. Where did we come from? What events shaped our past, influence our present, and will define our future? Starting today, I'll present this captivating story from every conceivable angle, be it the lens of religion, the perspective of science, or through the prism of invaluable knowledge that helps us comprehend this narrative. Our primary guide on this journey will be a book devoid of falsehood, written by someone who never lied. We'll delve into scientifically confirmed sources, steering clear of mere theories or guesswork. Archaeological evidence from the depths of the past will serve as our time machine, enabling us to paint a vivid picture of the last 40,000 years. We'll study books and tablets penned 5,000 years ago, unlocking the secrets of different eras and periods. The purpose of sharing this story is to utilize every ounce of knowledge available to us, striving to comprehend the author of this magnificent narrative. Each chapter of this series attempts to understand the divine presence that spans these 40,000 years. By exploring the realms of archaeology, science, and ancient writings, we aim to unveil the threads that connect us to the one who orchestrated this beautiful story. Each chapter of this series attempts to understand the divine presence that spans these 40,000 years. By exploring the realms of archaeology, science, and ancient writings, we aim to unveil the threads that connect us to the one who orchestrated this beautiful story, and the story of all our lives. It's a story about a wonderful past, present, and future. This story starts when there was nothing, and it will end when there will be nothing left from the skies to the earth, and whatever is in between them, stars, planets, and the sun. Time, and all those creations we call the universe in our language. Today, we will start a journey to explore this universe, who created it, what is hidden inside it, and the small planet we call our world, what has happened in it, what will happen to it. Our journey started 14 billion years ago. But why 14 billion years? Have you ever seen the constellation of these 7 stars in the night sky? This constellation is visible almost every night, and if your eyes were the most powerful telescope in the world, you would see a tiny red blob above this central star. This is the GNZ11, the farthest known galaxy, trillions of stars in the form of a mere red blob. And on such a distance from us that the light, which is the fastest thing there is, and left its surface, takes 14 billion years to reach us. It makes at least one thing clear. In our journey, we can go this far. But 99.99985% of these 14 billion years is before the time of humans. Humans emerged only in the last few seconds of this cosmological timescale. Then how shall we be able to see the birth of the universe? To see this, free yourself from the chains of time and come with me. We will explore all that knowledge which will tell us the true story of all creation. There is a very common branch of knowledge around us called science, and a branch of science is called cosmogony, meaning the study of the birth of the universe. This enabled humans to discover it in the year 1964. It was such an amazing find that its discoverers, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, were awarded the Nobel Prize. They had discovered a sort of radiation, but the strange thing was that it wasn't coming from any star or planet. It was like an energy spread throughout the universe, the horizon problem. Now, let's dive into the mythologies. There is a very interesting commonality among different civilizations from various parts of the world. For example, the ancient civilizations of Egypt, Greece, and even Finland all spoke about creation from water, but there's a problem with all those mythologies. And that knowledge is called religion. But which religion? It's a big question, with 3,000 different religions in the world today. All of them claim to be the right one. let's have a look into some major religions and some of the oldest philosophies. Judaism, Christianity, and Islam each has its own perspective on the creation of the earth and the universe. However, when we scrutinize these views with the lens of scientific knowledge, we find challenges and contradictions. For instance, the idea of a flat earth in some religious texts doesn't align with our modern understanding supported by satellite evidence. Let's delve into Islam. Within only a few years, this religion spread throughout Arabia and eventually the whole world. Today, Islam is the second largest religion globally. Islam too has a concept of creation in its holy book, the Quran. For example, Surah Hud, a chapter in the Quran, describes God as the one who created skies and the earth in 6 days, and his throne was on the waters. The Quran contains profound verses that touch upon the mysteries of creation and the universe. But what sets Quran apart from other beliefs? In the Quran, the concept of time is clear and precise. Unlike in some other religious beliefs, the revelation in the Quran seems to bridge the gap in understanding the nature of time and space, offering a unique perspective on creation. Now, let's explore the mysteries of the sky according to the Quran. But what exactly is the sky? Before we delve deeper, let me share an experience. I asked 20 people what the sky is, and the answers varied. Some said it's the blue thing we see above, while others mentioned a white shield. So, what is the sky according to science and Quranic teachings? Scientifically, the sky consists of layers, such as the troposphere, stratosphere, and beyond. The Quran, too, provides insights into the sky. It mentions the descending of water at least 22 times, referencing rain, fog, precipitation, and more. It speaks of the sun, stars, and moon in the sky, as well as pillars supporting it. But what lies beyond these layers? According to Quranic teachings, there is a limit to the expansion of the sky. It refers to a place where flames and smoke will be released, marking the boundary of the expansion of the sky of our world. This outer layer is beyond the reach of science, residing in the realms of the unknown. Further exploration in the Quran led me to the concept of 7 skies. Each sky has its unique characteristics and inhabitants. From angels to prophets, each sky holds a different wonder. Prophet Muhammad's Mirage, a miraculous night journey, provides insights into these skies and their secrets. The Quranic perspective on the size and scale of the universe is awe-inspiring. The 7 skies compared to the throne are like a ring in a huge desert, and the throne compared to the great chair is like a ring in a huge desert. The vastness of these creations is beyond human comprehension. As we conclude today's chapter, remember, this is just the beginning of our journey. In the upcoming chapters, we will delve deeper into Quranic teachings, hadith, and modern scientific knowledge to unravel more mysteries of the universe. May Allah bless you on this enlightening journey. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for joining us at Superpoint. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care, and may your journey be filled with knowledge and wonder. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.